करें. Did you practice the Trikala Jati? Huh?
Not as much as we should have.
Okay. Amma, can we try the Trikala Jati?
I might just do a lot of mistakes with that. Sorry.
In advance.
Talang kutaka dikutaka tadikita tum ta. Kita ta ka ta re ke ta ta ka jam ta jam kata kata jam ta ta ram ta ga dim ta ke ta ta ka ta kita taka tare kita taka jam ta jam ta ka taram ta ka gadim ta kita taka ta kita taka tare kita taka jam ta jam ta ka taram ta ka gadim ta kita taka ta kita taka tare kita taka jam ta taram ta gadim ta kita taka tum kita taka tare kita taka jam ta taram ta gadim ta kita taka nam kita taka tare kita taka jam ta taram ta gadim ta kita taka tare kita taka jam ta taram ta gadim ta kita taka jam ta ram gadim ta kita taka jam tajam taram gadim takita taka tajam taram de kita taka tajam taram tum kita taka tajam taram nam kita taka tajam taram ta kita taka de kita taka tum kita taka nam kita taka ta ditta tat ditta kadaka kadaka dum 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 ta ditta tat ditta kadaka kadaka dum 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 ta ditta tat ditta kadaka kadaka dum 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 ta. Ambulance required. So yeah, so this will come after practice only, no? So it is of course a tough long jati. Now for exercise purposes, we also need to see how an existing jati sometimes is modified. Or you want to have some water? Go have some water. Can be modified and changed also. For example, you know that jatita, very famous jatita, tatrita dhanna ta, dhanna ta junnu ta, junnu ta dimmi ta, tai, kita takata, tatita dhanna ta, dhanna ta junnu ta dimmi ta, tai, kita takata, tatita dhanna ta, dhanna ta junnu ta dimmi, kita takata, dhanna ta junnu ta dimmi ta, kita takata, dhanna ta junnu ta dimmi ta, kita de ta, taddi ta, takati kita takata de ta, taddi ta, takati kita takata de tam, tadde tam, takati kita takata ta. So this is a very old jati, which have you written it down? Better get the notebook, which I want to tell you how to notate when you actually try and do some work on an existing jati, because this is useful for further expanding a jati, or sometimes it happens that you have more time, so you can do one jati which is a little more elongated. So just for an exercise in the class, one day I was just working and I realized what will happen if you introduce a tisram in this. how it would sound. So first is how it would sound and then how it can be translated into. So ta, tatritta dhanna, ta, dhanna tajunnu, ta, junnu tadhimmi, ta, tai. Ketataka. This is the first speed. So if you introduce a tisram in this, it will become ta, tatitta dhanna ta, adhanna tajunnu ta, junnu tadhimmi, ta, tai. Ketataka ta. Tatitta dhanna ta. Tanna, it will become in 3 cycles you will have to say to get it back to. So ta, tatitta dhanna ta, dhanna tajunnu ta, tai. Kedataka ta. Tatitta dhanna ta, adhanna tajunnu ta, junnu tadhimmi, ta, tai. Kedataka ta. Tatitta dhanna ta, dhanna tajunnu ta, junnu tadhimmi, ta, tai. Kedataka ta. Tatitta dhanna ta, adhanna tajunnu ta, junnu tadhimmi, ta, tai. Kedataka ta. Tatitta dhanna ta, dhanna tajunnu ta, junnu tadhimmi, ta, tai. Kedataka ta. So when you come from Tisram to Chatusram, there's a nice space difference. So just write down the simple sollu ta, tatitta dhanna ta, dhanna tajunnu ta, junnu tadhimmi, ta, tai. This is all there is. But if you are not able to understand how the Tisram expansion happens, this will be difficult. So you need to understand, since you people are used to doing things in Tisram, you can split it and easily do it, but that requires a little practice to be able to say it in the talam and maintain the same gaps. And so once again, do the Tisram, first do the Chatusram and then do the Tisram. Talang kutaka dikutaka tadinkenna tum ta, ta, dhanna tajunnu, twice. Ketataka ta, tatitta dhanna ta, adhanna tajunnu ta, junnu tadhimmi, ta. Ta, tai. Ketataka ta. Tatitta dhanna ta, dhanna tajunnu ta, junnu tadhimmi, ta, tai. Ketataka ta. Tatitta dhanna ta, adhanna tajunnu ta, junnu tadhimmi, ta. Ketataka ta. Tatitta dhanna ta, dhanna tajunnu ta, junnu tadhimmi, ta, tai. Ketataka ta. Tatitta dhanna ta, dhanna tajunnu ta, junnu tadhimmi, ta, tai. So this exercise needs to be done so that you are able to do the Tisram. You want to try another jati in which you should be able to do Tisram. Supposing you take the tadiku didiku jati. Tadiku didiku taka dingu takita taka ding ding kukuta, ding kukuta, kukuta, dingu takku din dingu takku dirgada talang kutaka tadiku didiku taka dingu takita taka din ding kukuta, ding kukuta, kukuta. Gaps have to be maintained the same. Again, tadiku, didiku. See, this why this cannot be done is because it's lower speed. Tadiku, you have to do the Tisram male column. That becomes very difficult. Tadiku, didiku, taka, dingu, taki. This is supposing the speed. Tadiku, didiku, taka, dingu, takita, taka, din, ding, kukuta, ding, kukuta, kukuta. Dingu takku din dingu takku dirgada talang kutaka tadiku diddiku taka dingu takita taka din ding kukuta ding kukuta kukuta dingu takku din dingu takku dirgada talang kutaka tadiku diddiku taka. He become the Tisram male kal, which becomes difficult because you had ta, that medium pace, then Tisram, then Chatusram works.
It has to be a trikal.
The lower pace jati only you can do this kind of a Tisram. So that's one thing learnt from this exercise which cannot be really done for every jati, but you need a medium pace and then jam ta kukum ta tikita takat jam ta jam ta jam ta kum ta, this kind of jam ta kukum ta tikita takat jam ta jam tat jam ta kum ta tikita takat jam ta kukum ta tikita takat jam ta jam tat jam ta kum ta tikita takat jam ta kukum ta tikita takat jam ta jam ra jam ta kum ta tikita takat jam ta kukum ta tikita takat jam ta jam tat jam ta kum ta tikita takat jam ta kukum ta tikita takat jam ta. So that this pace you can manage. So if you have a Trikala jati, you can also introduce this ram. Ta kitta taka ta tikita taka jam jam ta ram ta gadim. This is the third speed. So ta kitta taka ta tikita taka jam ta jam kada taka ta jam ta jam ta ram ta ganta. We didn't do the second speed actually, the correct way. We spaced it out and did it, no? So, but you can do it in the regular ta kita taka. Ta kita taka ta tikita taka jam jam ta ram ta gadim ta kita taka. This is way. Ta kita taka ta tikita taka jam jam ta ram ta gadim ta kita taka ta kita taka ta tikita taka jam jam ta ram ta gadim ta kita taka tum kita taka ta tikita taka jam jam ta ram ta gadim ta kita taka ta kita taka ta tikita taka jam ta tar. So there's freedom to do this kind of a thing, which creates more excitement in the rendition of the jati. So this was just an exercise which we did while can we do this jati and see? First just do the basic jati, which is a very again a traditional jati which is done in almost every style of Bharatanatyam, because this bowl is so very simple and nice to dance. Talang kutaka dikutaka tatikita tum ta tatita dhanna ada adanna ta junnu ata junnu ta dimmi ta tai keta taka ta tanna ta junnu ta dimmi ta tai keta taka ta tatita dhanna ta junnu ta dimmi ta tai keta taka ta dhanna ta junnu ta dimmi ta kita keta taka ta dhanna ta junnu ta dimmi ta kita de tam tat de tam takadi keta taka taka dom de tam tat de tam takadi keta taka taka dom de tam tat de tam takadi keta taka taka dom ta. Very neat, clean jati. So supposing we introduce Tisram in this. So ta tatita dhanna ta. Then so natural, some of the natural Tisram adavus are there which can be used. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta tatita dhanna ta dhanna ta junnu ta dimmi ta tai keta taka first ta tai keta taka ta tatita dhanna ta junnu ta dimmi ta tai keta taka ta tatita dhanna ta junnu ta dimmi ta tai keta taka ta tai keta taka. So 3 times. Slowly you start enunciating the takita more and more and more. So the first time you are doing ta tatita dhanna ta junnu ta dimmi ta tai keta taka ta tatita dhanna dannata junnutta junnutta dimmita ta tai kitataga adatitta dannata dannata junnutta junnutta dimmita ta tai kitataga tatitta dannata. Radhika, can you do the whole jati? Tadam kutaka dikutaka tadikita tumta tatitta dhanna ata adanna tajunnu ada junnu tadimmi ta ta tai kita takata atatitta dhanna ta adanna tajunnu ta junnu tadimmi ta ta tai kita takata tatitta dhanna ta adannata junnata junnata dimmita ta tai kita takata atatitta dannata adannata junnata junnata dimmita ta tai kita takata tatitta dannata dannata junnata junnata dimmita ta tai kita takata tatitta dannata dannata junnata junnata dimmita ta tai kadakata tanna ta junnu ta dimmi kadakata ketta kadakata danna ta junnu ta dimmi ta ketta de ta tat de ta takate kadakata kadam de ta tat de ta takate kadakata kadam de tam tat de tam takate kadakata kadam. Come. So you can see how jatis can be also made more, in the sense impressive than, you don't have to sometimes create new ones also. Existing ones can also be kind of worked around and given a completely new look. That's why I always believe in revisiting what we already have, because many people feel what we have is useless and you have to look for something all the time outside. But वही है इस घट अंदर कबीर. So I feel that it's important to review what you already have and see with intelligence what you can reinvent, and you're also introducing the Tisram to somebody who's working, so that you are able to hold it, you put it in talam and recite it. Gives an understanding, overall understanding of what the whole system of.
In the Adavus, here we introduced when we were working on the Adavus, we said using the Tayum Tatta with just one hand. Just reviewing
Which Radhika used just now, and it was very nice when the Chadusram comes. Ta tatitta tanna ta tanna tajunu, that has so much of a lilt that to be able to do ta tatitta tanna ta tanna, it's a ta tatitta tanna ta matches the shoulder much more sometimes than doing the entire full kind of a thing. And any questions on this now?
I only have a question regarding when you play around with the already set jati. Is there a problem in the traditional sense? This must be a very traditional jati, and then you introduce new elements to it. The senior gurus or the traditions.
Where are the senior gurus? We don't have any senior gurus anymore. But I don't think so, because I feel this is much more acceptable than creating something which has no meaning at all or no roots to the tradition at all. This is at least still rooted in the tradition. What you see today has no connection with any of the even the bowls or the formats which are accepted. So if a guru sees something like this and something that is totally done by a mridangist, he'd rather still stay with this than maybe want something like that, where the adavus are not, clarity of the adavus is not there, and the clear segments and the lines of the dance are lost in some kind of a camouflaged fashion. So I feel that now doesn't really hold.
We see a lot of jatis being done these days that the the solo are from various jatis and it's just like a medley of, you start with ta, kita, ta, 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 then ta, diku, diku, ta, 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 jam, ta, ta. So
किसी का सर, किसी का धड़ और किसी का पैर, you know. So naturally when people who don't know about jatis start assembling it, then it becomes like you want more jatis, that's all. It doesn't matter what the structure of the jati is, but that's not acceptable. Grammar doesn't permit that. The solo that you begin with, you have to end with also. That is the basic. If you talk to senior Nattuvanars, they'll say the first phrase has to repeat even in the Tirmanam. That's how they plan it, you know. So that's been always the grammar they followed. But obviously things have changed now, and you see a lot of range of which is very good. Creativity is always good, but I think it requires certain boundaries to be drawn before you. But I think that comes because if the dancer really just outsources, today is a day of outsourcing, outsource it to a Mridangist and say, just give me 5 jatis with no brief. And he would do whatever he wants to do, or she would do whatever she wants to do. The brief has to be there, no? I need proper adavus, I need to be able to do proper patterns of dance. I can't just settle for whatever you give me, no? I need to also be dialoguing with you while you create. That's very important. I think you just can't say give me 5 jatis and sit back and then it just coming. That can't help. So you need to dialogue constantly when the jati is being created, so that you say this works, this doesn't work, this phrase works, this phrase doesn't work, this tirmanam works, this tirmanam doesn't work. So I think that is very important to understand, and then come up with a jati which mutually is acceptable and danceable.
I have one question. As we discussed earlier, that
I'm sure that there are also people today who make good jatis.
हाँ.
So थोड़ा नाम दे के ही बताइए ना कि these are still there are hopes. I mean everything is not dead.
Akka, as we discussed earlier about the jatis, it's like the Mridangists are usually using Mridangam tools to create the jati and there is a dancing Is it because the dancer does not know how to create a jati, or a sense is required to maybe brief, as you said, you should brief the Mridangist. So how does one learn about how to go about a jati, a creation of a jati?
So what have we been doing? We've been doing exactly that, telling you how to create a jati and what are the main ingredients that need to be watched out for while creating a jati. So those things need to be understood and also followed. Na? There's no point trying to just outsource. That's what I mean. So you have to kind of understand these elements, and you have to see with experience, what works and what doesn't work as a jati. So that feel has to be there, and that those criteria which we have been discussing need to be understood and followed also. So, and it's not as though everybody is doing only Mridangam jatis. There are lots of people who do their traditional jatis today. They also revisit their traditional Varuvur jatis, you see, and revisiting of them. And Varuvur Ramaya Pillai jatis were very beautifully redefined by Varuvur Rajaratnam Pillai. So if you see Varuvur Rajaratnam Pillai students, they all do jatis inspired from the Varuvur style jatis, but worked out and further enhanced. So there has been a progression, and there has been a lot of work done even in the Pandanallur style, where you see people moving on. Meenakshi Sundaram Pillai's jati is then being carried on by other Pandanallur. You see many women, what's her name? Sorry, just stop. What's her name? Who does Nattuvangam beautifully? What's her name? How could I forget her name? Valli ke liye jo karti thi. Anyway, that's not. So even the Pandanallur style jatis have undergone a change, but you see that the ethos has to be maintained. You see, it's the ethos. It's not so much as doing complicated. It's not about the complicated bit at all. It can be as complicated as you want, but there has to be a good translation into dance. The translation is where, you know, we have to. A Farran's thing cannot work for dance. One has to guard against those kinds of things which become too gimmicky, you know. So of course, there are many dancers who are doing very classical, very wonderful jatis even today, but we have also moved away from the margam. That is also there, and since we are moving away from the margam, obviously the jatis that are required for a specific project becomes different also. How you are using the jati, where are you using it, why are you using it, also defines as to how it's to be created. Any more questions on this?
Just lots of practice.
Lots of practice, yes. We do the namaskar.